Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining how to delete your MoniePoint account step by step and a few important things you need to know before you do it. Alright, so let's dive in. Now, first you want to log into your MoniePoint dashboard, and once you're in, you want to tap the photo or profile icon at the top left of your screen to open settings. Then from there, you want to look for the option that says close account and tap proceed to continue. Next, you want to select the specific MoniePoint account you want to close. Then you'll be asked to choose a reason for closing the account. After that, you want to complete the required face verification to confirm your identity. And once that's done, enter your transaction PIN and submit your request. Now, here are some very important things to note. If your account is on post no debit or PND status and has more than 500 Nairas, you won't be able to delete it yet. You'll need to wait until the PND is lifted. Also, if your balance is above 500 Nairas, make sure you transfer the money out to another account before trying to close it. After submitting everything, MoniePoint will review your request, and once approved, your account will be closed. And that's it. That's how you delete your MoniePoint account the right way. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.